So I'm standing on a. Actually, I'm on the top. There's another guy who is on the topper part. Like I don't know how I can put it. Like on the upper part of the waterfall. My camera is actually waterproof, so I can just give you like live shots of everything. He's asking me to come up, like where he is, but it's actually very slippery. Yeah, he's telling me that the water levels have reduced drastically. Like if it was a normal time, you couldn't be able to be there. The water levels will be so high. At least now, the water levels have reduced. Now we can actually go and come enjoy ourselves because it's sunny. The levels are down. Yeah, I've left him up there. I just want to go down. Yeah, taking a photo there. Yeah, as I just chill. I'm enjoying myself. So this is Africa, guys. This is Africa. Come and visit. I don't know whether to start a tourism company showing you different areas, different beautiful areas. Yeah, you can see there. That's actually a cave in the waterfall. There are a lot of moss and algae inside there. I tried to get in, but the pressure of the water was so high. So high. The pressure was so high. And I tried putting my leg there, and it's like there's a very deep hole. There I was telling him like it's very deep. Like it's very slidey. I couldn't manage to climb. Yeah, I tried but I couldn't. It was very slidey. Like reaching the upper part is very risky. The pressure of the water is, even if the water levels are down, the pressure is still very the pressure is very high. This was actually on my birthday. Yeah, I reached this stuff on my birthday. This is what I love doing.
weekend. Na record. Toka kwa maji. Kwa waterfall. Hai, ni kali bana. Anifika juu ya rem. Very nice. Sawa? Sawa. hivi, shikilia hivi. Nataka
let us see what waterproof. So today I'm here with Victor.
Yes, I'm Victor.
I'm Vijay. So Victor, what do you love about plants and animals?
I love how they beautify our environment and make our environment lively.
Okay, which plants, which plants do you know, that you know?
I know
Name a tree or just a plant.
I know many plants since I did agriculture, so I know like eucalyptus, sunflowers like rose flower. Yes, and they are enjoying to watch them, and I urge you to take care of them.
Oh, that is nice. That is Victor.
Yes.
My name is Serious. So, bye-bye.
Bye bye.